Hello, my name is Erin. Today we're going to look at how to print specific pages, page ranges, sections, and pages within sections in Microsoft Word. Plus, don't miss the troubleshooting tip at the end if you're having difficulty printing specific pages within sections. Before we begin, it's important to note that the option to print specific pages within sections only works in documents that have page numbers which restart for each section. I have a full tutorial explaining how to restart page numbers in each section linked in the description box below. I'll be using Word for Microsoft 365. These steps also apply to the recent non-subscription versions of the software. These steps don't apply to Word for Mac, Word for the web, or Word for mobile. To begin, select the File tab in the ribbon, followed by Print in the Backstage view. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also press Ctrl+P to go directly to the print screen in the Backstage view. From there, ensure you're connected to the correct printer, and then enter the pages or page ranges you want to print into the Pages text box. Within this text box, you can separate individual pages with commas, use hyphens to create page ranges, and use the letter P and the letter S to print specific pages within sections. You can also use commas to combine individual pages with page ranges. Next, enter the number of copies you want to print into the Copies text box, and customize the other options as you normally would. Finally, select the Print button. If your document doesn't print after entering specific pages within a section, the page numbers may not be restarting for each section, or you may have accidentally entered non-existent pages within the section. In either case, the print job won't be sent to your printer's queue. However, Word won't send you an error message explaining this issue. Rather than waiting to see if the print job is just delayed, you can check to see if it's been sent to your printer's queue. To do so, select the Windows button, and then select the Settings button. When the Settings dialog box appears, select Bluetooth and Devices, followed by Printer and Scanners. Now select your printer from the list of available devices, and select Open Print Queue. If the dialog box says No Print Jobs, you can now return to Word to check for potential page numbering errors in your original print request. All the steps we just performed are listed with images on my website at erinwritewriting.com, which is linked in the description box below, along with my playlist, How to Use Microsoft Word, where you'll find many related tutorials, including how to create printable address labels with images in Microsoft Word. Feel free to leave me a comment if there's a specific topic that you'd like me to talk about in the future. And please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss upcoming tutorials, and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching.